Hi, Nicola.
Hi!
What have you got in your hand?
I'm building a Hoover.
Okay, let's see. What does it look like?
It's blue. Yeah, it's blue. It's a bagless Hoover. It's a cheap version of a Dyson.
And why did we need a Hoover, Nicola?
Because our other Hoover is bust. Look at the carpet.
Look at our carpet, how dirty and skanky. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway. Yeah.
Take our word for it, it's disgusting. So we need a Hoover before the boys come round to Hoover. So that they don't think that we're skankoids.
And it's the most valuable kind of Hoover there is. Because look, it even says value on the box.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we like to be valuable.
Okay. Well, when you've got it hooked up, we'll see you in action.
Woo!